You don't sign a contract with Candy?
No, nobody.
Yeah.
You're a liar.
You say you're a liar to no cause.
Because them can't give me what I want. They can't give me referendum.
Yeah.
They can't give me a president.
Yeah.
And they can't give me the report.
Yeah.
Don't have a liar.
Well, Candy boss you know, Candy send you a road. Big up Candy.
Yeah, but bigger up.
Yeah, man, bigger up, man. Oh, shit. What are we
She ain't like you from talk to people.
Yes. She can use in a free show.
No free show.
No,
so you want get free show when you're hungry, no she a call.
When me hungry, me no blood.
When you're hungry, no she alone.
Suck your mother. When come tell about them hungry? Who hungry?
When you're in need of something,
No,
you can go to none of them.
The run come from Bones Lane, you know. For do free show. And make no upset me.
What me say? If you want something, I can't do alone. None of them now you say they need to explain to them.
Yeah, alright, hold on, quick. Candy, if I run out of Bones Lane, we just start. I come on here. I say, no free show. I don't me tell them. If you don't fuck with me, me no papa. Me no papa is me look at my papa right and me a dead hungry. And man, you chat to me, you know. Can you find me as a papa?
We never said that, but you don't need to explain to nobody.
We're hungry.
Anyway,
we're hungry.
If you want something.
Me blood clot hungry. No come tell me say me I'm hungry.
If you're alright, rephrase. If you need something, you're gonna call her. You can call any of them.
Look, the whole of you stick up in. We call the regular. We don't make you wind down. Me can't pay a journalist and me can't pay a secretary. She never take out her money. Start spending your blood clot money. And make she come here and chat for you know. Take out your money. Me cannot pay a journalist.
What you talk about?
Now hear what she just say. You know hear what she say.
Can you repeat back to him? Can I understand?
Me don't want you repeat nothing to me. Hey, Bella, me not pop. Bella, you come see me as a papa. You come see me as a papa.
You know, you the video with your panetta?
You know nothing about that.
What you mean you don't know when I video this with your panetta?
So
I
what?
rub me out.
No, I mean, what's the people? I John Public friend them.
No, I you up on the video, I clap me.
Say what?
Tani say him never see video.
No.
Him say I not him.
Oh.
You can't want no man.
So who up on the video?
You can't do maths. You buy some maths. You can't give me the whole of your money and not take
So
me to
Jerry, I who that up on the video?
me don't know, but you see your people there, I tell me suck your pussy.
Me not know nothing about that way.
Oh, you can't
So
say that.
Jerry,
Say what?
Me I never go bed before, me I never kiss, we never do no at all. Anyway, Jerry, I who that up on the video?
I don't know.
Anna you?
No.
What you mean Anna you?
You know nothing about technology. You don't know
How do you say
about
Alisa?
technology. Them they can put in things.
Jerry say not him that you know?
Saying what?
So now you this man.
Saying what?
Jerry.
Act like you're somebody, man. You're blood clot, man.
Me as somebody you is not somebody, but someone me attack you for them is nobody. When me attack you for them is nobody because he's a thief. And me is not a thief. You know, the shame. You never see me on YouTube a thief.
Me see you on YouTube a skin out your pussy and dig your finger in a blood clot that for my money. And you have man around a yard who will take care of blood clot you. That is you. Move your stinking pussy hole. You is woman. Run like dog. You look a blood clot you. You a woman. Move your stinking bumbo clot from in front of me no man. What you want from me? Move from side of me. Avoid me, allow me out. Me no blood clot, move from yourself from man. You know, you see me and the killer then die easy, you know. Avoid me now, man. What you follow me up for?
I'm more than 10, about 10 years or so now, me not fuck darling. Me not bother with it, darling. Me make the blessing of Lord come down upon me. Me not walk and fuck like dog. Some of them a walk and fuck all about, them a walk and fuck and in life now better. Them a walk and fuck and in life a go down and then don't care. Listen to me. Me a walk with God. Me the fuck stay. Give me my belly full and give me my Bible. Give me a word of prayer. Make me understand. And stop believe say God sit up upstairs and look down pound. The God you serve is within you. God make man of his own minute. You acknowledge God, you acknowledge yourself. Sorry, miss. You acknowledge yourself. On the top walk and fuck and stop fuck all about. You carry demons. Wanna fuck all about to carry demons and no ignorant, to no quick to fight people and come out and rough and fight people, trouble people wig on their head and everything are bad in front of somebody wig are bad and then lash and this and that, you know, I laugh for them, make trouble for them. But you have an underlying problem. The underlying problem is demons. You can walking with demons. Because when you walk on sex like that, you pick up demons from the people you have sex with.
So Jerry, I'm not pretty and
Nah,
nice.
pretty girl are Miss Universe. Miss Universe.
But me
and
can't
Miss
go
World.
Miss Universe.
But if you say to you want about, you're about 5'5", you're about 5'6". And you're going to lose some of them legs. And Marga, them legs slim. And then now the pretty girl, Miss Universe and Miss World. The man don't know them man know pretty girl, you know.
Better.
It was just make you rich. It's your blood clot. Only certain people understand. And all people understand. Because right now, our group, how much we have in our group? Don't we have 6 in it?
Yeah.
So 100,000 drop. One man can't get the 100 fucking dance them. 100,000 drop to we promote, we advertise, rave. And 100,000 drop in our group of 6. 100,000 of pussy clot money. I dance them.
Boy, Jerry.
Them are done. Them are done. Hey, tell the words, I try to go on me, you know. I done a Kingston 30, I come learn petty politics. I like you in a class, I done international, man. I can recite. Our blood class 60, I rule and govern. Michael Mann sent me to school in a Cuba. I'm in a class, in a bench. And I analyze system and principle rule. I come back from Haiti. I come in a BC. So world power, nature the world, try not go around me, you know. Nobody try to go around me. Michael Manley, Tony Spalding, Frank Spalding, Cheverman and DK. I'm a teacher them then. So remember Cheverman and DK, you know, sir. And them man they teach you politics. But me never know petty politics. I'm dropping a Kingston 30. The people in
their ears, there's something in their ears, and the ear in your nose will show down, and your face needs for shave more better. A bugo come down in your nose. Bugo in your nose, go and go wash your face properly.
You can't go around Cheverman.
Me say, go wash your face properly. Stop.
Cheverman.
I'm a teacher.
Oh, your teacher.
DK Dunk, I'm a teacher.
So what your name? Jerry Muller?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm a teacher them there. They only never Michael Manley. Tony Spalding.